Today I don't have a place to sleep. I'm going to dig a huge hole and sleep there tonight. Right there I saw a police car. My shovel broke. It's like 2 minutes I started. I'm free! That's how this looks from the first floor of bunk bed. Oh shit! I forgot to check if it's going to rain or no. It's deep enough to hide me from police cars. Today, one more time, I don't have a place to sleep. Today, at my shared house, painters came and they're going to paint the mold. Smell is so disgusting, I just cannot stay in the room. So, of course, the first thing I thought about is going to the beach, or I'm going to dig a huge hole and make a bed for myself and spend there the night. This is the place where I came. Right here. I have with myself shovel, pillow, and a bit more stuff like some food, water, some food, you know. Basically what I'm thinking, this is a perfect spot to dig a huge hole. I'll count like 2 meters on 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, this and here. Okay, let's start working. Two minutes ago, right there I saw a police car, probably checking for, I don't know, drunk people or stupid people like me. I hope the police will not come and will not interrupt my construction work. I really hope I'll be alone. Okay guys, beginner's mistake. First of all, I need wet sand because there it's impossible to dig. Also my shovel broke. It's like 2 minutes I started. I'm free! I think it's deep enough, but I still need to dig more to the both sides, to both length and width. Ooh, it looks not bad. I think it's deep enough. That's how it looks from here. Yeah, I think it's good enough. I don't want to dig too deep because then it might be too wet, but I think this is good enough. The only problem is that ocean, I mean sea, is literally like here. So I really hope that the water will not come into my apartment during the night. Oh, let's admire one more time my craft. Whew, solid. Okay, it's done. Look at this grave. Whew. Oh. So what I need to do is now make my floor more equal, and then I can prepare the bed. Literally 2 hours ago I finished my internship and I'm doing this stupid thing here. But actually my bed is ready. It's ready to be... Oh shit! On my phone. Whew. Okay, so here is it, guys. I also made a exit from my room. Opa! So I'm entering my apartment and here is it. That's my apartment. That's my apartment. I totally forgot to check if it's going to rain or no. But it shouldn't rain, I think. Yeah, it should be fine. 17 degrees during the night. Perfect. Okay, I'll get ready. Okay, so nice. Go in the bed. Oppa. It's not cold outside. Here is it, guys. Here is it. Ooh. It looks so cool. Oh my god. It looks sick. And I have a good pillow today. Also, just in case, a sleeping bag and my dinner. So it's not cold. Oh my god. Damn. I can see the stars in the sky. Oh, this is amazing. So yeah, it's not cold, it's like 18-20 degrees outside. It's a little bit too short, the bed, but I think I'll manage. At least like I can move my arms freely in the bed, and it's deep enough to kind of isolate the noise, also to hide me from unnecessary eyes, especially police cars. Besides that, I'm feeling so excited how my body will react to this challenge. But yeah, there are no mosquitoes, nothing. I can hear the sea. Most importantly, there is no time to call a plumber now if my bed leaks. This is like probably one of the coolest spots I ever slept in my life. It's so soft. It's so soft. It's way better than the bench. One more time, I can see. I can admire my bed. Good night. Oh, morning. From a nice. Oh. Actually, it was such a good sleep. Eventually, I ended up being inside a sleeping bag. I can feel a bit the humidity. The sand is really wet. I didn't feel cold from the ground. I covered my face during the night with the sleeping bag, so it was fine. If I would sleep, let's say, just on the sand without being in this like kind of a hole, then I think it will be like colder. But it's not windy, and that's really fortunate for me. I checked also on the internet that from 8 p.m. to like 4 is like even the low tide. I would say that it's a really great place to sleep. So thank you so much for watching, and please let me know what do you think about this. See you soon.